So at Homeway Construction, yes, we do a lot of insurance jobs, but we also do just your everyday remodel, paint, kitchen cabinets, you name it, we do it. If you want to add an extension onto your home, whatever it may be, we're going to be there for you. It's a really easy, quick process. All you have to do is fill out our form online. We're going to come out, we're going to take a look at it. We're going to talk to you about your needs and your wants. We're going to talk to you about your budget and just figure out the best solution we can for you. You know, whether that is fully custom, you guys want to do some crazy tile, you guys want to do, you know, really nice paint or not, you know, we're going to make that happen for you. This is your home, right? You want a space, you want an area that you can walk into and just relax after a long day. You want a space that you're proud of, that you're happy to go to each and every day. And that's just kind of the attitude that we take with each and every job. We want to make sure that, you know, when you walk in, it's exactly how you envisioned it. We can make those things happen. And we have the team that's going to make it happen without all the stress, without the huge payout. Homeway Construction just is there for you.